New York City is a culinary haven, particularly when it comes to delving into the realm of pastrami sandwiches. The city boasts an array of famed establishments that not only honor the tradition of this delicacy but also elevate it to new heights. Visiting these spots ensures a memorable experience that tantalizes your taste buds. In the heart of Manhattan, one can find a legendary deli known for its towering pastrami sandwiches. Picture thick, juicy slices of hand-cut pastrami nestled between two slices of freshly baked rye bread. Each bite offers a delectable juxtaposition of spice and tenderness, accompanied by a dollop of tangy yellow mustard. The bustling atmosphere adds to the charm, immersing you in the vibrant essence of NYC as families and friends gather to savor their meals together. Venturing over to Brooklyn, another gem awaits where the pastrami is crafted using a time-honored method. Imagine the intoxicating aroma of the meat as it slowly simmers, fully absorbing an array of secret spices. Here, you can choose to indulge in a classic presentation or opt for a creative twist, such as a pastrami Reuben topped with melted Swiss cheese and sautéed sauerkraut. Each variant bursts with flavor, representing a blend of tradition and innovation that keeps patrons returning. Those seeking a modern touch should head towards a chic eatery in the Lower East Side, known for its artisanal approach. This establishment takes pride in sourcing sustainably raised meats, with the pastrami marinated to perfection. Conceived with a contemporary flair, one can expect unexpected accompaniments like homemade pickles or even a spicy aioli that complements but never overwhelms the star of the sandwich. It's an embodiment of how classic flavors can transcend into inventive presentations. To complete your pastrami pilgrimage, don't miss out on a quirky food truck that roams the busy streets of the city. This mobile marvel serves up a fusion of pastrami and global flavors, crafting mouth-watering sandwiches that break conventions. Think Mexican-inspired pastrami tacos and Mediterranean flatbreads, merging cultures and tastes into every bite. This pop-up sensation is a testament to the ever-evolving food scene in New York City, where tradition meets creativity in delectable harmony. In conclusion, the quest for the ultimate pastrami sandwich in NYC uncovers a vibrant tapestry of flavors, traditions, and culinary innovations. Each bite reflects the rich history and diversity that makes this city a gastronomic paradise, offering endless possibilities for countless sandwich lovers to explore.